hairstyle is kind of making me think I should cut my hair really short. Because like, what if I did and this was it? Like just slick all the time. The makeup is making me think I can do this. I can't do this. Anyway, I'm transforming into someone else, which is one of my personal favorite pastimes. I mean, I guess you guys have already seen the thumbnail, so I'm not even trying to surprise anybody. But this color is definitely way out of my comfort zone. It's not a warm tone, and it's kind of, I think I'm gonna straighten it. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, I'm gonna try my old method of crocheting a weave. So right now I'm actually going to go get my hair braided. I'm gonna try and get like an around the world braid, because last time I did straight backs with my cornrows and that worked, but I want to see if this works better. I personally don't know how to cornrow, so I was just working with what I had. I just want to see if I can get a better outcome when I have somebody else do the base. But I will come back and show you guys my hair once it's all done up. So it has been a whole 3 days later. I've been living my best wig life with all this hair like tucked in, but this is what my braids have been looking like ever since I got them done. They've held up really well. This is a style that I've done only once before, and the first time I was doing it, I literally made it up. I invented it. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using. Isn't it so beautiful? Screenshot this. This is what the little raggedy closure looks like. I don't know how they got it to look like this on the model, when you know good and well that closure does not look like this. So this pack comes with 6 bundles, 222, 224, and 226. So this is what the bundles look like outside of the package. So long. And I'm gonna put this obviously in the back at the bottom so it can be the longest layer, and then I'll go with the 24 in the middle and then the 22 at the top. It does feel relatively silky, and I know that if I were to straighten it, I would probably have no problem. I think I'm going to do like the base of my hair the same way that I did it last time. Then I'll show you guys when I come to the front of my head, because trying to film doing the back of your head while you can't even see the back of your head is very hard. So I've used about almost all the packs. I still have one that's like dangling out of my hair, but I've basically gone around and around and around up until the middle on the top. And this is what I have left. I have some left over here, but I'm gonna cut that out. And then maybe like cover up some empty spots if I have any. I'm gonna wait until after I brush it, straighten it, cut it, to see if I have any open spots that I can refill with this extra leftover track. But right now I'm just going to show you guys how I attach the little closure, because I did decide that I'm going to use it. First I'm going to cut off this side and this side, because I noticed that the closure is laying very flat like this, like naturally going from side to side. So I'm gonna cut the sides off here. I'm just gonna pull through a couple strands of hair, probably around here, 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 and here, so that I can use those bottom strands to attach it to the strands that are at the top of my head. So this is what it looks like after I've cut it and poked the little, yes, after I poked the little hairs through. This was the hook that I had to use. Look how tiny that is. So you can see I've got one up here, one here, one here, and one here in a little diamond shape. And it's nice and trim. I have to comb this out. I'm gonna straighten it as well, and then I'll cut it. I'm a little nervous. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like after I straightened it. It's super long. I also have some gaps in the front. It's not combed correctly because I want to be able to see, but I am going to be cutting bangs, so all of this will be pulling towards the front, which means there's going to be less gaps. But in case of like wind blowing, I'd like to like double secure those gaps, and I might have gaps in the back as well. So after I trim the hair, because I have no hair left, I'm gonna use these scraps to crochet and cover up some of these gaps.